Hello, hello, Tatum here, welcome back. Today, I'm ready to set your core on fire, so let's get to it. All right, we got to get started. We're going to do a set of core work today, and I'm going to set those abs on fire. So let's go ahead, get going. It's a short one today. It'll be pretty intense, though, on those abs. Here we go. We're going to come up and crunch, lift that leg, come right up to the top here, back down. We'll have 30 seconds on each side. Make sure you blow the air out as you lift up towards that leg. Good. Halfway, other side, here we go. Same thing, lift and lower, contract those abs, and make it easier to do that by blowing out that air forcefully. Inhale as you come back down. So inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, you got it. 3, 2, and 1, nice work. All right, we're gonna do some ab jacks here. We're gonna lean back. We're gonna tap in and out, okay? It's pretty tough. If you want, you could do a single in and out, okay? Here we go, in and out, leaning back. So normally we do plank jacks. Here, we're doing a little ab jack. If that starts to bother your back again, come up a little higher, lift in and out. We got it. 5 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Woo, good work. Feel this tomorrow. We're gonna come down to our side for a little oblique crunch as well. We're gonna extend that leg out, the top one. The knees are kind of bent here. And then I want you to just bring that knee and elbow together. Elbow and knee find each other. I want you to blow out each time you bring the knee up. Good. Up to the side. Get this shoulder off the floor just a bit. Lift. Good. We have 30 seconds. And we're gonna change here. Right now, we're halfway. I'm gonna turn to the other side. Quickly get into position. Here we go. Working that other side. You got it. Knee to elbow. Exhale. Blow that air out. Get a little crunch up. Make sure that shoulder that's on the floor comes up off the floor, all right? And that's rest. Nice work, nice work. All right, we're gonna do some kick outs from a plank position, all right? We'll have 30 seconds each side. So get in your plank position. I want you to bring your left foot up close to that hand, step it back. Then I want you to bring it just a little bit further out from that hand, but still high and back. And this time I want you to top out as far as you can by straightening that leg and tapping out there far from the hand, okay? So close, about middle with that bent knee, then a straight leg way out there. Good. Close to the hand, a little further out, straight out. Good, we're halfway. We're gonna do the other side here. So again, tap up, tap a little further out, then all the way out. Good. Up. If you find it difficult to get this high up close to your hand, go ahead and you can tap a little bit closer, all right? And way out to the side. Good. Hand, middle, way out, straight leg. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. All right. Good work there. We're headed back to that crunch. That's our circuit. We're gonna go 2 more times through this before we hit a little Tabata at the end. Stay with the same leg lift here. Instead of alternating, okay? We're just going up and down, single leg. Good. Get the shoulders to come off the floor as well. Or halfway. Nice job. Other side switch. Up and down again. Remember that you can always place your hands behind your ears if you need a little support for that head and neck, all right? Good control. Don't just flop down with the leg. You want to lift it and lower it with control. 3, 2, and 1. Good work. All right, V-sit ab jacks. This is tough, all right? Again, remember, you can bend in a little bit, makes it slightly easier. You can do singles in and out. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. In and out. Just 30 seconds here. Good. 12 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Good job. All right, let's lay down. Feels good. Bring those knees in slightly. Here we go. Elbow to knee, extend that top leg, lift, in. Good, crunch up, bringing that knee to the elbow. Make sure we blow the air out. And notice that my bottom shoulder is coming up off the floor a little bit. Good, you got it. Keep going. 3 more seconds, we're turning to the other side. Good, that's halfway. Here we go. Go ahead and roll over, other side. Same thing. Top leg extending and coming in. Pull up, try to get off the floor a little bit. Three, 2, and 1. Rest. Good job. All right, we have those plank kick-outs, okay? So remember, you're going to step close to your hand, then a little bit wider, and then you're going to go straight leg out to the side. Here we go. Step up high, middle, straight leg as far out as you can touch. Up. So kind of a 3-way tap here by the hand. A little bit further out away from the hand, but still as high as you can get that foot, and then bring it out straight. Good, give me another one. And we're halfway. We need to switch and do the other side. I'm gonna stay right here. Here we go. Up towards that hand, out a little further, then kick it out straight. Trying to go as high as you can with it. Go up. If your wrists are bothering you, go ahead and go up onto your knuckles. This is our last one. Tap it out wide. Good work. All right, we made it through 2 of these. Yay, high five. We're back into our 3rd set here. Crunch with that single leg lift. Arms up overhead or supporting the head. Work. I have a little bit of a body here at the end that's going to really light us up. We'll do our best. That's halfway, switch sides. Good control each direction. Make sure you're exhaling forcefully there to get that good contraction on the abs. I'm trying to also keep my lower back pressed in on the floor and not let it overarch on that, okay? That's rest. Good work. Here we go. Ab jacks here. 3, 2, and 1. Leaning back, tap it out, and in. Small tap. You can go wide if you want. Good job. Again, blow that air out. I almost do each direction. Little shifts. Good. 3, 2, and 1. Nice work. All right. Find your side here. Knees are slightly bent. Extend that top leg. Here we go. Elbow to knee. Make sure that we're coming up off the ground, that we're not just bringing that knee in and barely doing anything with that upper part of the body, okay? We want to pull in with both our elbow and our knee. Trying to come up off the ground slightly here, okay? I'm about right here, my lats are even coming off the ground a little bit, okay? Halfway. Here you go, other side. Same thing. Extend, lift, pull in, exhale. You got it. Seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Good job. All right, we're over to our plank kick outs here, I guess you can call them. Again, close, medium, out wide with that straight leg, all right? Not an easy one. Here we go. In that full plank, here we go. Step it up wherever you can. Out a little bit further. Tap it out wide. Woo-wee. It's a good one. In. Medium, out with a straight leg. Good. Close, out a little further, straight leg way out there. You got it. Step, step, tap out, straight leg. Step, step, and we're halfway. Good. We get to switch sides. Here we go. Step high. Again, step a little further out, and then straight leg taps out. Step, step, tap out wide. You got it. Step, step, tap out wide. Step, close, step, out a little further. Woo, tap it out wide. 3, 2, and 1. Good work. Nice job. All right, not a lot of rest here. We're gonna go on into our Tabata, all right? Our first one, let's just do a hollow rock. So today we're just gonna put our hands across our chest and we're just gonna fall back and teeter on that tailbone, okay? With tight abs, back is flat here through the small of the back, and it's just up and down. Now, this is not an easy move. Let's rest. If you're having trouble with that, you could work on kicking your legs up and coming all the way up, or do more of a rolling crunch here, okay? Our next one's bicycle. Most of you know bicycle. Here we go. We're gonna extend and rotate here. Bicycle. If you need to, bring those legs up a little higher, which helps round out that lower back. A little less pressure. Keep the feet in a little closer too. If you need more of a challenge, you're gonna really extend that leg out, point the toe, and keep low. 3, 2, and 1. We have 10 seconds rest. We're going back into that hollow rock or crunch, a little rolling crunch. Whatever you can do today, okay? Here we go. Hollow rock. Up, down. It's 20 seconds. It's tough. If you need to take a break in here, go ahead. Do as many as you can. Hope I'm not hitting my microphone here today. Good. 3, 2, and 1. Whew, good work. All right, we're headed into our Tabata bicycle crunch. 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Extend and rotate, elbow outside, all right? Try to lift that shoulder up off the floor. I try to aim for my shoulder towards that knee instead of my elbow. I mean, my elbow's going, but I'm trying to lead with the shoulder so I get a good rotation and I bring it up off the floor, okay? 3, 2, and 1. Nice work. Here we go again. Remember, you can do some sort of rolling crunch here. You can practice by just coming back and swinging the legs through too in this, all right? Here we go, 20 seconds, a little totter, that's what I call it, a teeter-totter, on the tailbone. Try to pull down and brace, keeping the small, I need to take a break. 3, 2, and 1. All right, you want to really engage the abs there, okay? And don't let that back overarch, which is difficult. Same here, again, you can kick up, you can even stay low here, okay? And not lift. Just modify. I know we're all at different levels today. This is a toughie. You could even leave this finisher off and maybe come back to it later when you're rested some, or tomorrow, okay? It's just 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest, 4 times through. Good work. Coming up, we have that hollow rock. If you need more of a challenge, arms overhead on this hollow rock, okay? Here we go. This is one of my favorite quick blasts to the abs. You got it. Hang in there. 3, 2, and 1. Woo, good work. One more here. Bicycle crunch. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Extend. If you want more of a challenge, really point those toes, extend the leg, keep them low, or shorten it and bring it high, all right? 3, 2, and 1. Good work. All right. My goodness, that is the end of it. Let's just go ahead and lay down real quick. Point your toes, reach your hands overhead, get a little stretch there. Oh, good work. I don't know about you, but my abs are definitely on fire. Stretch it out. Good work. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe. The quote for today, because I always put a little something on here, is by Rumi. It's set your life on fire, seek those who fan your flames. And I guess my thought today is that if you're on your fitness journey and you're looking to better yourself health-wise, surround yourself with the people that are rooting you on, that are helping you get there, okay? There are plenty of people out there for that, so just make sure you surround yourself with them. People are building you up and helping you get to those goals, all right? All right, thanks for joining me. You have a great day.